right? I end up in court. The ex-wife took me there for child support. I used to give her my last dollar. Why she write me this lawyer letter? I am a man, don't like confusion. I went over and begged this woman. In court she lie right in front of me face. I didn't have a choice, I present my case. I give her house, I give her land. She even got a man. I give her dress, she got a desk. Look, I did my best. My honor, she don't have a case. I even bought wood for she fireplace. Now she come in court saying I no good, but every evening she phone in asking for wood. Oh God, sing it like it's what she like. Tell them give she wood for spite. I wonderful. What surprising me, she tell the court how I does be cheap. So I went up and took the stand. She tell the judge how I break she hand. I am not a violent man. Let me explain how she break she hand. Last evening she fall coming out the van when she went and take wood from Sukaran. I bought a goal, a salad bowl, a nice coat to fry the coal. The house I sold, the TV Jason stole, a sofa made out of gold. My honor, she don't have a case. I even bought wood for she fireplace. Now she come in court saying I no good, but every weekend she phone in asking for wood. Sing it like it's what she like. She wood for spite. This woman have a wood factory. Well, now the case over. She went on the phone and called she sister. She say, look darling, please come over. I just left the court with a damn monster. The sister say, all men is the same. Men only have one thing on their brain. Every woman they see, they stop like a train. That is why I can't get involved again. Man look a ball, man look a ball. When me partner call, man look a ball, I scratch the wall. I couldn't take it at all. The man say he can't understand. My wife just passed by him with a man. I drive down the road, it's looking so bad. I see the woman taking wood in a lumber yard. Oh God, like it's what she like. Tell them give she wood for spite. What she